Welcome to a YouTube video on how to buy Bitcoin.
What is Bitcoin?
Think of Bitcoin as digital currency that uses blockchain technology.
So it's like electronic money in my bank account.
Similar concept.
How do we buy Bitcoin?
We can buy Bitcoin by logging into a place that allows us to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies.
There are many crypto exchanges. Let's check out the most popular places. Please note, crypto exchanges may have ID requirements and may charge trading fees.
There are quite a few crypto exchanges to choose from. It's important to do some research before signing up.
We're going to show how to sign up to CoinSpot.
Click on the link that leads to coinspot.com.au.
Put in your email and then click Get Started.
Type in your chosen password and then click Verify You Are Human.
Once you have checked the terms of use, click Create Account.
The account has been created. You can complete verification or skip for now.
This is the dashboard. The portfolio value is $0 as this is a brand new account.
It is recommended to turn on two-factor authentication. This is a process where you need to enter a password in the relevant box on screen, and also in another box you need to enter a code that is sent to your mobile.
Let's now look at wallets.
The prices on screen are in Australian dollars.
This is the Ethereum wallet where there is the option to buy, sell, or swap Ethereum. There isn't any Ethereum right now in the wallet, as this is a new account.
To deposit Australian dollars from your Australian bank account into your CoinSpot account, click the Deposit Funds button and follow the instructions on screen.
The content creator couldn't supply sufficient ID on this exchange, so we're going to move on to the next exchange, Swyftx.
Click on Get Started.
Then click Create Account.
Click on Personal.
Put in your first name and then last name.
Then your mobile number.
And then email address.
They'll then send a 6-digit code to your mobile, which you will need to enter on the computer in the boxes provided.
Next up, verify your email.
Click on the plus symbol at the top of the browser and open a new tab.
Sign in to your email account. Find the email from Swyftx with the 6-digit code.
You'll need this code to verify your email.
Check the terms of use and privacy policy, and then create your password.
You can start the ID verification, or you can go to the dashboard.
This is the dashboard. The portfolio value is $0 because this is a new account.
To deposit Australian dollars into your Swyftx account, use the Deposit Funds button.
The choices are bank transfer, pay ID, and card.
Copy the account name, BSB, account number and reference onto Notepad or Word.
Once you have pasted the content onto Notepad or Word, open a new tab by clicking the plus symbol at the top of the browser.
Log into Internet Banking.
Click on Transfers and BPay.
Please note, if you don't use a Commonwealth bank account, the option on screen might be called Pay Anyone, to pay into an alternative bank account.
Click on Bank Accounts, and then Add New.
Copy the Swyftx bank account details, that you have pasted into Notepad or Word. Alternatively, you can just copy straight from the Swyftx dashboard.
When you have selected the account you want to transfer Australian dollars from, in this case, Smart Access, and also the account you want to pay the money into, in this case, the Swyftx account, enter the amount, description, and reference.
Your bank may hold the payment for 24 hours. Many banks in Australia have a monthly transfer limit. Also, it is possible your bank may ban money transfer to crypto exchanges altogether.
We're going to fast forward by about 2 days. The Australian dollars have reached the Swyftx account. Time to start buying some Bitcoin.
Click on Trade.
This is the Bitcoin chart. The prices on screen are in Australian dollars. Bitcoin is currently trading at $175,316.26 on the 25th of August, 2025.
We're going to look at the quick buy button.
You can enter the buy price in Australian dollars and review and confirm, or you can switch to Bitcoin, which there aren't any in the account right now.
You can change from Bitcoin to another cryptocurrency by clicking the caret. That is the small drop-down arrow.
And then select the cryptocurrency you're interested in.
Let's check the other method.
We're now going to show the other method of buying by using the Trade button, and then click Buy.
The Trade From field is Australian dollars since that is the only currency in the account right now.
You can change the trade to field. Currently it is Bitcoin.
Click on Add Asset, then select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy.
Ethereum.
Please enter the amount in Australian dollars that you wish to spend on Ethereum.
$50.
50 Australian dollars will get you about 0.006772 ETH.
The trade has been successfully placed.
Next up, we'll show how to buy Bitcoin using the Buy button.
$20.
20 Australian dollars will buy about 0.001137 Bitcoin.
Next, we'll show how to buy XRP from the asset list.
You got it. XRP with 70 Australian dollars.
$70 Australian dollars will buy about 14.918 XRP.
I think that's all the buying for now. Let's check the portfolio by going to the dashboard.
The portfolio now has Australian dollars, XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin.
We're now going to show how to transfer the Australian dollars to an Australian bank account. Click on the Transfer Funds button near the top right-hand corner.
And then click on Withdraw.
Click on Add New Address if this is the first time you are withdrawing to an Australian bank account.
Follow the instructions on screen and confirm.
Put in the amount you wish to withdraw and select a reason for withdrawal using the drop-down menu.
It may take some time for the amount to reach the chosen Australian bank account.
Next crypto exchange we'll look at is Independent Reserve.
Click on the link that leads to independentreserve.com/AU.
Click on Create Account.
Enter your username, your email, and password.
Check the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and then click Next.
This is the dashboard. The total value in the account is currently $0 because this is a new account.
Click on Get Fully Verified Now and follow instructions on screen.
If you don't have a webcam, you may need to wait until the screen gives you the option. Try something else, and then take a photo of your ID on the mobile and transfer to the computer, and then upload your ID.
There isn't any money in the account right now to make the first crypto trade. We're going to show how to deposit Australian dollars from an Australian bank account into the Independent Reserve account.
Click on Dashboard.
And then click on Deposit.
Then click on Quick Deposit.
The options are credit or debit card, PayPal, EFT bank transfer, or Pay ID.
We're going to show the Pay ID option, which generally doesn't cost the user any fee to use.
Copy the Pay ID email onto the clipboard or notepad.
Open a new tab on the browser and then log in to Internet banking.
Click on Transfers and BPay.
Choose the account that you would like to transfer the Australian dollars from, in this case, Smart Access.
Click on Pay ID and then Add New.
Click on Pay ID and then select Pay ID Type Email.
Then paste in the Independent Reserve Pay ID email you have copied onto the clipboard or notepad.
And then check Pay ID to make sure it is a valid email.
Please note the first part of the email is generally unique to the account holder on the Independent Reserve Exchange.
Enter the amount that you wish to transfer from your Australian bank account to your Independent Reserve Crypto Exchange account, then the description and reference.
Please note your bank may hold payment for 24 hours.
We're going to skip forward by a few days. The Australian dollars have reached the Independent Reserve account.
There is the option to buy and sell at market price using the Buy/Sell option from the menu bar.
If you feel you can get a better deal, there is the option to trade on the market using the Trade button.
We're going to scroll down a bit and check the current prices on the market for Bitcoin.
The highest buy price on Bitcoin that can be seen is $171,300, and the lowest sell price is $171,409.
We're now going to go back to the dashboard and then use the Buy/Sell button to buy Ethereum.
The current buy price on screen for Ethereum is $7,010.20.
The price went up to $7,010.79 while clicking the Buy button. As we can see, the cryptocurrency market is very volatile.
You can either type in the amount worth in Australian dollars, or you can type in the amount of ETH you want to buy.
50 Australian dollars worth of ETH.
50 Australian dollars will buy about 0.0070967 Ethereum.
Once you're ready to confirm, click Buy Ethereum. Please note crypto exchanges will generally charge a trading fee.
You can click View Order Details to get a summary of the transaction.
Next up is Bitcoin. Click on the Buy/Sell button.
Type in the amount you wish to spend on Bitcoin.
20 Australian dollars.
20 Australian dollars will buy about 0.000111615 Bitcoin.
You can click View Order Details to get a summary of the purchase.
We're going to quickly rush through the purchase of XRP since we have already shown how to use the Buy/Sell button.
Next up, we're going to show how to use the Trade button, where there is a possibility of getting a better deal.
Click on Limit to buy at a limit price.
Scroll down a bit to see current market prices.
The highest buy price for XRP on screen is 4.62248, and the lowest sell price is 4.62466 Australian dollars. Type in the amount of XRP you'd like to buy.
15.
You can scroll down a bit to see the current market prices. And then type in the price you'd like to offer to buy for each XRP.
$4.60.
Please note it may take some time for the sellers to meet the price $4.60. Patience is a virtue.
Next up, we'll show how to buy Bitcoin from the market. Click on the caret that is the small drop-down arrow next to the graph.
Select Bitcoin.
Just scroll down a bit to see current market prices so that you can determine what price you'd like to offer for 1 Bitcoin.
The best buy price in Australian dollars is $171,000.01. The best sell price is $171,188.95.
170,999 Australian dollars.
There isn't enough funding in the account to buy 1 whole Bitcoin, so we'll have to buy decimal amounts. Please note you may need a calculator to make things a bit easier.
Once you are happy, click Preview by Order and then Confirm.
Next up, we're going to quickly show how to buy Ethereum using the trade button and then buy at a limit price.
Next, we'll show how to withdraw the Australian dollars in your independent reserve account to your chosen Australian bank account. Click Accounts on the menu options.
And then click Withdraw. Select the bank account that you would like to withdraw the fiat currency into. You can also select Add Account and then follow steps on screen.
Enter the amount you would like to withdraw. You can also add a comment, which is optional.
Enter the 2-factor authentication code that was sent to your mobile, and then click Withdraw.
Thank you so much for watching.